Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming essentials. An SBI account with your registered mobile active and basic ID ready. Download Yono SBI and grant camera and SMS permissions so OTPs arrive. Open the app, choose new user/existing user as appropriate, enter your account number or customer ID, then confirm the OTP sent to your phone. After verification, create a secure 4-6-digit MPIN. This is your quick login and transaction authenticator. So choose something memorable, but not. Once logged in, make security choices. Enable fingerprint or face ID and confirm your email for transaction alerts so you get receipts automatically. To transfer, add a beneficiary by entering account number, IFSC, and a short purpose. The app sends an OTP to validate the addition, which prevents fraud. After the beneficiary is approved, pick NEFT, IMPS, RTGS, or UPI depending on speed and fees, enter the amount, and authorize the payment using your MPIN. This is how you both confirm identity and finalize transfer. Complete the process by checking transaction history to confirm a successful transfer and download or email the e-receipt for records. Make sure to log out or use the app's auto-lock when you step away. If others use your phone, clear cached data and keep biometric off. If a transaction is pending, wait a few minutes then refresh. If you don't get OTPs, disable DND for SMS, check mobile network, restart the device, and request a resend. If still blocked, contact SBI support for immediate help.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.